2nd July 2025 Current Affairs. 1. National Doctors' Day is celebrated every year on 1st July in India to honor the services of doctors. It also commemorates the birth and death anniversary of the renowned physician Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. 2. Ayush Shetty made history by winning the US Open title in the BWF World Tour, becoming the first Indian to achieve this feat. 3. The first edition of the Rugby Premier League 2025 was organized in Mumbai to promote rugby in India, and Chennai Bulls emerged as the winners. 4. Adani Green has become the first Indian company to reach 15 GW of renewable energy capacity. 5. The Indian government has banned the import of jute from Bangladesh to protect the domestic jute industry. 6. Ravi Agrawal has recently been appointed as the new chairman of CBDT, which is responsible for direct tax policy and administration. 7. According to the World Investment Report 2025, India ranked 16th globally as a recipient of foreign direct investment, FDI, in 2024. 8. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the Turmeric Board headquarters in Nizamabad, Telangana, which is a significant move for turmeric farmers. 9. The central government has announced that ABS will be mandatory in all two-wheelers from 1st January 2026 to improve road safety. 10. The 196th ESIC meeting was held in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, under the chairmanship of Union Labour Minister Mansukh Mandavia. 11. The Prime Minister expressed condolences over the deaths caused by the explosion in a Telangana drug factory and announced ₹2 lakh compensation for the family of each deceased. 12. The 4th edition of the Conference on Financing for Development will be held in Spain to promote financial strategies toward achieving Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. 13. On 30th June 1855, the Santhal rebellion began under the leadership of Sidhu and Kanhu Murmu. Hool Day is celebrated annually on 30th June to remember this historic uprising. 14. Scientists in the United States have developed the world's first silicon-based computer, marking a significant advancement in the direction of high-performance computing for the future.